Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic and Shadow generations. To begin, familiarize yourself with the basic controls. You will use the left stick for movement, the A button for jumping, and the X button for your boost ability. Mastering these three fundamental actions is crucial for navigating the game's dynamic levels and overcoming initial challenges. Practice these movements to build a strong foundation for your adventure. Sonic and Shadow each bring unique abilities to the gameplay. Sonic excels with his incredible speed and the homing attack, allowing him to quickly dispatch enemies and traverse stages. Shadow, on the other hand, utilizes chaos control for powerful area of effect attacks and can perform ranged attacks. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right character for specific challenges and maximizing your effectiveness. As you progress, you will encounter a variety of levels, blending both classic two-dimensional and modern three-dimensional perspectives. Each stage presents unique environmental hazards and a diverse array of enemies to defeat. Remember to collect as many rings as possible, as they serve as your health and contribute to your score. Power-ups, like invincibility or speed shoes, will also provide temporary advantages. To truly master Sonic and Shadow generations, explore advanced techniques. The light speed dash allows you to quickly traverse lines of rings, while the wall jump opens up new vertical pathways. Keep an eye out for hidden routes and shortcuts. Finding these can significantly reduce your clear times. Consistent practice across all levels will help you refine your skills, achieve higher scores, and unlock exciting new content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.